Что насчет этого? Что там? Вот так. Вот это. Нихера себе. Это ладно, это все. Я слышал то, что Клод-код теперь может работать в Ableton, в Adobe, в Blender. Я в Ableton ничего не пробовал. Капец, было бы круто, если бы еще как-то мог бы сводить треки за меня. Было бы круто, а то я, если честно, я ничего не выпускал, и треки вот не садился за треки делать, потому что влом вот это вот, типа, делать. Типа, писать и записывать, окей, я не против, но у меня один микстейп почти готов. Мне осталось записать 2 куплета. Я эти 2 куплета уже написал текст. Осталось их записать. Но вот сидеть и вот это вот сводить это коряво не хочется. Было бы круто, если бы Клод за меня это делал. Офигел, ты вообще лентяй станешь. Нет, ну я не могу. Я типа... Я не знаю. Просто чтобы сесть за музыку, мне надо как будто, знаешь, отключить свой мозг от этого всего. И типа перестроиться полностью и сесть. И вот я рэпер, я музыкант, сейчас буду сидеть в Ableton и делать музыку. И вот это будет стоять. Но вот это отпускать капец не хочется, вот это вот все. Вот это вот все это и фигня. Потому что потом опять перестраиваться будет тяжело. Если я вот перестрою сейчас в музыканта, то потом я там застряну. Но вот этот проект надо хотя бы выпустить, он уже почти готов, типа. Короче, да, у меня ни хрена нет времени для музыки, типа вот. Settings. Что он говорит? Settings. Navigate security. Где это security? And choice, workspace, validation. даже не знаю, вот я хочу делать и видео Хиксфилд. Но я даже здесь боюсь покупать подписку, потому что у меня, ну, тупо нет времени. Типа, у меня на это даже нет времени, на вот эти долбаные вайп-кодинги. Короче, я буду читать рэп здесь. Эй, я сижу на стриме со Скэром, ведь он не гей. Когда он был геем, я был... Осуждаю. Что он делает, бля? Что он там устанавливает? Офигенный рэп, давай рэп сейчас будет. Сам гей говорит. Ютуб пишет, Ютуб. Гей тайп бит пишу. Гей тайп бит. Я им гей его. Не понял, почему вот он... Вот я не понимаю. Он мне сказал, я не могу создать приложуху, потому что мне нужно в этой папке... Я не могу в этой папке создать. Я ему говорю, как это сделать? Он говорит, ты должен это сделать. Я говорю, как? Я ему скинул скриншот, я не знаю, как это сделать. И он начал создавать. Вот видите, он говорит, no. Я бы сейчас что-то удалить здесь. Он говорит, что сделаешь вот это, и я перемещу проект. Позже, когда он перемещал проект, он удалял кое-что. Надеюсь, он так не сделает сейчас. Меня бесит этот Джеминай. Скорее еще больше, ведь он гей. Да, он хочет с моей писькой плей. Да, same парень, я хочу быть как он. Огромный ствол в штанах, да он такой. Знаешь, как это мы вайп-кодим с моим броди. Да, мы кидаем кости на лудомане, ведь мы... Понял. Так, что вы долго подайте каждый. Тебе давно вот камеру совали. Сейчас, подожди. Start open to new started. Скрик что-то выебывается, может быть он гей. Блин, напиши в чат, если так думаешь. Но даже если нет, все равно мы поймем то, что он гей. Nevertheless, понял, парень. Парень, я не люблю черных, осуждаю. Меня этот топик слишком манит. Да, а гей парень то, что он гей. Скрик парень то, что он. Короче. Осуждаю, ребята. Дорыбывалось чудище. Что, сработает штука эта? Сработает? Сработало, да? Если возьму, сейчас сделаю вот так вот. Добавить браузеры. Active Viewers. Сейчас напишу поддержку. Напишите поддержку, да? Тот, кто напишет поддержку, настоящий гей. Но я чую то, что это скэр, а может серый гей. Да. Мы потеряли Зена, потеряли Ти, потеряли Эйвел, да похуй. Главное, что со мной 3 гея. Это Скэр, Пейн и я Олух. Да, парень, я глух, ведь я слепой. Понял? Короче, блядь. Не репуется. Это URL. Так. Так. 800 на 200. Use custom frame rate. Clear custom CSS. Leave it as body. Custom CSS. Клик ОК. Что-то я добавил. А как я добавлю всякие? Сейчас. Может быть бит не тот,
I feel like everything.
Пошел нахер. Зачем кирпич русский письки? Челики сидят на стриме. Я сижу в одного. Юля спит. А Скэр все еще гей. А он еще би. Видите, меня сдерживает бан Орден. Меня сдерживает бан Орден. Меня рэп-шептун, эй, это рэп-шептун. Да, парень, киртсой на бите. Да, он прям здесь. Вайп как киртсой, чтобы снять свой стресс. Да, let's go. Да, я выключу сейчас свет. Окей, мне не нужен ответ. Да, может, я наебал, ведь мне лень вставать и поднимать свой зад. Да, мы идем в бар со Скрым и Бэйном и с Аказом. Мы сейчас в бар и закинемся наркотой, я осуждаю. Сейчас, погоди. Не те наушники я надел, не те. Куда ты пошел? Куда ты пошел, бля? Куда ты пошел? Нет, а что он делает сейчас? Хули ты пишешь мой чат? Это мой чат. Мне нужен бат. Старый бат. Что он скинул?
Иная, YouTube.
Ну, в принципе, плюс-минус такой же, да, только без этих, ну, плюс-минус такой же. Это ты VO3 использовал или что? VO3 премиум. Нихуя себе ты. Сейчас сделаю вот так вот. Теперь я сделаю вот так вот. Все, ну ничего нету. Ничего нету. Вот че он так тупит, я не понимаю. Вот чем-то. Кто он? Вот этот чел или промпт видео VO3. Давай пиши мне код, сука. Я чувствую пот, сука. Вообще не идет, сука. Но я не идиот. Ой, бля, знаешь как это? Я всегда не люблю геев, но меня не надо осуждать. Я хочу пойти на, да, я не люблю ждать. Делай побыстрее, давай, поднимай свой зад. Чё это за хуйня? Я не знаю, бля, но я завтра встану, блядь, в 6 утра. Наебал, ха-ха. Максимум, бля, в 9. Чтобы пойти позавтракать и опять пойти спать. Потом проснуться в 2 часа дня и кидать на свай в рот. Да шучу, я ебал тебя. Захожу за угол дома, там тип стоит с сигой в субаре, танцует просто. смотри, чё. Мы очень, сука, близко. Сейчас пару промптов и мы будем очень низко лизать ему яйца, ведь мы любим и мы будем драть их в жопу как пидор. Осуждаю. Если что, я осуждаю. Если модеры сейчас смотрят, бля, сосите мой член в рот. Я. How are you? Well, shit, vibing. Hey, give me a best solution. Yeah, I need a better equation. Yeah, man. Yeah. Давай, блядь, чел, скажи мне, что делать, я нажму окей. Ведь я не хочу ничего делать сам. Нахуй надо, у меня есть и он мне полезал. Google gonna release a new model. The models feel so they never release 2 to 3 models. Yes, same. Yeah. When? Yeah. I tried to wipe every whisper flow translator, but it was so bad at real time translating. Whisper flow? Are you talking about me or are you talking about something else? Да, он твой рыбчаки, да, он на твоей рыбчаке так раскачался, что он бьет слишком сближен 200 утешаться. Да, scary, yeah, да. Well, I wanted it to listen to my browser, so it translated the streamer in real time, but I tried with the Russian streamer and it just kept saying, блять, for the translation. Don't worry, bro. Yeah, it's just me and you on the stream, and we gonna go and run it down the stream like in the river. Yeah, feel like I'm a beaver. Yeah, I need some wood. I will chuck it up and build a dam. Then I'ma go and I'm not gonna get banned. Am I gonna get banned? Am I? Yeah, maybe. Let's get it. The new Kazakh Eminem. Yeah. А точнее, первый за месяц, блядь, приехал вовремя. need some API keys. I need more tokens so I can vibe. Yeah, I need a little bit of this so I can try to get ahead of this AI bullshit. 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 Here I go with the flow. Yeah, here I go on the mountain. Here I'm gonna go on. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, bro. I don't know. Should just buy it. Bro, this guy, the other guy, he said DeepSeek is bullshit. He says DeepSeek is ass. Shall I believe? Shall I trust him? Wait, what is this? Okay, I have to build a complete backend. Depends what you're comparing it to. С чем мы сравниваем DeepSeek? He said ENV. Where is ENV, bro? Где ENV? Are you making another tool? Yes, this one. You see this one? That it shows how many viewers I have watching right now, but now I need to connect it to APIs. I'm making another tool. Yes, I am. I am making another tool. Stream element has that built-in and allows to use custom art assets. Okay, очень прикол. Yes, but it doesn't have like it doesn't have one of the. It doesn't have all бикини же модель сосет. Ну, типа, это возможно, да, но как они могут это допустить? Вторую версию, которую я скинул, тоже от Google. Точнее, от второй компании, на которой я работаю. Не понял, типа это... Типа это от Google или это твоей компании? Не понял. Google, короче, владелец моей компании. А, дочерняя компания, типа. Нифига себе. И в ней лучше, чем от твоей, типа, чем от самой Google. Что за фигня? Поэтому весь на этаже, по идее. Ну, плюс-минус, да, похоже было. Но в моем не было этого. Ну, может быть, если перегенерировать несколько раз, у меня тоже не будет каком-то. Twitch Client ID. Окей. Скинешь еще один промпт, когда ты пишешь. Хорошо. Okay, let's go here. Key to API key. Also, I need to make it less and more transparent. Yeah, I told you to make it transparent. Also, make the background of the image more transparent. Almost invisible. Wipe model, what the hell, bro? Carry on, bro. I ran out of all the fucking data now. I think I'm locked out everywhere. What the hell? Did I get hacked or something? Oh no. I finished updates to fix the port conflict, so it turns out one of your other bots was like, you're already using port, which caused a new view back to crash and this data will move to high to now to which first but it will still shows you high transparency. Better debugging. Okay, let's see. Close this one. Close this one. Okay, let's see. Start. Refresh. It says 0 now. Okay. Okay, 3. 3. Yeah, 3. Is it actually? Can someone go on my kick to check if somebody's watching me? Let's say. Can someone go on my kick to see if somebody's watching? Wait, the background didn't change, but whatever. Wait, the background didn't change, but Inception. Okay, wait. So, kick isn't showing the correct amount of views. Okay, the kick isn't showing. Let's fix kick. Wait 5 minutes to make sure kick updates. Actually, wait. Why do I have to wait 5 minutes? I want it now. Why is okay? I want it now. Wow. 7 followers to go. Yeah. I think I need to update this shit, right? Into English, bro. No, it's not updating, bro. It's definitely not updating. It should be real time. For 25 minutes. No, still. Carry on. I'll say carry on. It's not like it can fuck it up, right? Well, actually, wait, it says 4. No, it's testing. Wait, what? And it's wrong. Yeah, it's testing. But the latency is inexistent or what? Wait, no, it shows 3 for me, so it's correct. Wait, what do you mean it shows 3? Wait, there's 0 views for me, bro. It shows 3, it says 0. 4. Twitch show the view delay. That's okay. That's okay. I can live with that. But is that okay though? Can it be better? Hold on. Let's see. This guy says one watching now. This one says 0 watching now. Okay, one viewer. Yeah, okay, it's updating. Okay, it's updated. It's updated. It says one watching now. Okay. Okay. That's good, right? That's good. This shit is good. But yeah, that's fine. That's fine. As long as there's one here and then one here. Okay. And then this one. VK Live. Kick includes you, Twitch doesn't. I don't know if YouTube does it. But you know too much. What about this one? This one says one viewer. But this one doesn't. Yeah, it's not updating. It says 2 here. This one doesn't update. What does it even say here? Wait. No, I wanted. Wait, I need the proper loggers. Wait. Okay. Relax, buddy, relax. Make the background of the widget and okay, we'll move the background. Twitch. I have scope issues. No, I don't. 360 no scope. You should just do a stream, kick or Twitch and YouTube for clips plus video. Well, to be honest, I usually stream on Twitch or Twitch and Kick, nothing more. I don't even stream on YouTube and VK, but now since I'm doing this, I started. Well, I rarely. I sometimes I do like I stream on Twitch, I stream on Kick, I stream on VK too. Sometimes Twitch I barely stream because it has a lot of copyright issues. But I added it now, might as well. It's too much. It cannot be too much. Sometimes, I get viewers. It's like, if I don't stream on VK or Twitch or YouTube, they even add them out streaming the rules because if you ignore the chat or Twitch, for example, while you stream. Well, I do receive chat from almost all of them, except for one. I need to fix that too. But if I don't stream to one social media, I'm missing out on some viewers. And that's not good, right? To miss out. Fear of missing out. actually do go to spend time on that, and I have a lot of viewers from there as well, which I usually undermine. My point of view is like, if I can, why don't I just do it, right? If I can have more reach, and it takes me nothing just to set it up, and then not worry about it anymore, why not just do it, right? I mean, I'm pretty sure it's because those who can't use a VPN are forced to use it. Yes, that's true. That's true. Still, sometimes people message me from there. I even had donations from VK, which is nice. I knew about VK profile things. I didn't know it even had the video streaming side of it. Same, I didn't know either. But whatever. I hate fucking whispering. Okay, let's see if it works now. The layout is quite nice, like it's smooth and fast as well. The layout of the widget. Bro, why are you glazing me? You don't have to glaze me, bro. I know I'm wasting my life. I'm joking. Okay, wait. Wait. 1 second. I forgot to turn on this shit. Okay, anyway. So how can I check? You're gonna get your session key leaked from your widget and then get burned. How? It's local, right? How? It's local. How are they gonna steal it from me? Anyway, how can I check that it's working now? Let's see. I'm on a kid. Okay, bro, don't joke like that, you know. I'm very gullible. Okay, it's just one, it's not showing. It's not showing. Bro, fuck that social media, bro. It's not okay, it's zero. Okay, it's zero, but so the website broke for me. Cause it hacked you. Okay, two. Okay, it's not updating, bro. It didn't remove the website, it didn't remove the background. Where is the background? Oh, like, what happened? VK Live is 100% vibe code because it don't work properly. No, but VK is very old. It's vibe code. Okay, first of all, it's showing 0 on the 0 for VK. The background is still there. Bro, I might as well at some point, bro. Look, I try to have everything done by myself, except for bizarre things. Like I'm not gonna. You know what? I actually want to vibe code a new social media that will Is that how Twitch does it? No way. No way, bro. Cause I told him that's how it. No way, bro. But if it doesn't work out, I'll just remove this one. I'll remove this one. I don't use bots. Every mouse the candle has to do. You're in that 15%. It shows, right? Okay, I'll close these ones. Come on. Okay. Come on. Maybe it's using my. How do I know? Okay. It tells me. Fuck me, man. Okay, one. Doesn't show one. Maybe I'm not streaming to my place. Refresh page, man. Oh yeah, wait, it says 2 now. What does this say? It says 0. No, bro, I'll just remove this shit, bro. I don't know. Now every 0 is everywhere, bro. Wait now, okay. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Who's that? Пусть реально логотипы заменит. Он пытался, но что-то сказал копирайт. Says, что он ВК не может. No VK is not showing. No VK is not showing. Maybe you got my ID wrong. Or maybe also can you change the logos to the official ones? Bro, wait, this guy, this who I stole it from. This one, wait, where is this guy? Bro, for fuck's sakes. Twitch. This guy. This guy. Wait, this guy, look. Somebody also vibe coded for him. Look, this guy. He's got Twitch. All these tabs are horrendous. Why do you so much use these tabs? He got Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. I'm trying to get this guy. But he even has, a pulse rate. He's got location, time, temperature, wind, date, time. he's got live map. He's got the progress watch. Anyway, it's just hilarious. Hilarious, bro. Hilarious. fucking widget would take like fucking half an hour at most. Like, why would Twitch views care if you have double the views on YouTube or Kick? I feel like all the on-screen stuff is useless. But that's what I feel like as well. But it fucking like it works, I guess. Like people like that shit. I don't know, but like I don't know myself, but it feels like it's who likes it. I don't know. People be like, oh man, somebody's watching on Kick as well. Name me 20 people who like it. Like some of my viewers like it, but it's like, you know, the older people like us, we don't give a fuck. But the younger ones, which are the majority, they like that shit, bro. They like all this fucking new shit, bro. But even like the chat here, like some people, like sometimes I forget to turn it on, and people be like, "Where is the chat? Where is the chat?" But like it doesn't matter because the chat is still on the right side of your screen, like. The chat, yeah, exactly. But a lot of like, if this chat is, oh, that's the entire point. Yes, exactly. Because it's on the right side anyway, and you'll still have to like look at it. But if I turn it off, everybody's gonna be like, "Where's the chat? Put on the chat. The chat is off. Where's the chat? Where's the chat?" Cigarette. Okay, bro, what am I doing now, bro? Bro, what is it doing, bro? Look at this shit, bro. Bro, it's horrendous. Bro, it's not even the images, bro. Look at the images, bro. The logo images are broken. Bro, this VK used all your auto-planned web code, which then when you could design some SaaS to market and sell. What's a SaaS, bro? I see SaaS everywhere, bro. Like SaaS. It's just a fancy way of saying base of my host application with more certain delivery than to use over the internet. Like what the fuck is this? Software as a service. I don't know. I need a blueprint, bro. Like all this making money from vibe coding and SaaS. Like I need a blueprint, cause like I don't know what the fuck, like how they all make money and all that shit, bro. Somebody give me instructions, I'll do it, bro. But you sell a product which people use and purchase subscriptions to use. Yeah, but what do I make, bro? I can barely make a fucking widget, bro. You're telling me I have to make a whole ass product? Макс точно начинал когда-то с вайп-кодинга. Какой Маск? А, Маск. Да ну, не было тогда вайп-кодинга. I mean, think about what people use and need and then design. Exactly, I don't fucking know, bro. I'm not marketing salesman oriented. Like this is not my forte. Bro, it's generated with fucking Gemini, bro. Yeah, I'm still figuring out the money part, but yeah, what do I do with this VK bullshit, bro? Like, it's not showing me shit. Okay, maybe I'll just leave it. Fuck it, I'll just leave it. Нахуй ж он генерировать не можешь было скачать готовые логотипы. it like breaks every fucking day. You know, like it's not in a good state to sell and package. Most of the vibe code failures and that one can have been fixed by other people, so you need to control the scope of your project and don't work on 10 things at once. That's true as well. To a certain degree, of course. He says he fixed the loggers, bro. He says he fixed the loggers. No, he did not, bro. He did not fix the loggers. But I like it. I know, bro. Maybe it's just my ADHD brain, bro. I just too many things. Kirtsoy stream helper. You could have AI generate titles, engagement ideas, schedule plan, video generate for stream artwork. Well, Kirtsoy stream helper. You could have AI generate titles, engagement ideas, schedule planning. Like my own AI or what? I don't get it. Like build vibe code my own AI to generate titles, ideas. Like all that. I think my brain isn't braining right now. Wait, why is it still broken? Bro, like, this guy's fucking stupid. Still broken. Why are you using images if you can just visual logos? Okay, bro, you need to guide me over the next month. You need to guide me to fucking make money from vibe coding an app, and I'll keep this cool. 1 second. Vibe code website. Vibe code website, which is named Kirtsoy Stream App, which you can post to all social media that the user inputs and catches. I've already built one before. I've built one before for myself, but then anti-gravity deleted that shit, and then this other guy on the stream that types some nasty stuff, scary_0. He made one for me too. Look at this one. Look at this one. Build it for yourself, doesn't generate income. Look at this one. Where the fuck is it? Look this one. Here. Basically this thing. 1 second. I don't know why isn't it this thing. You can create a post. Upload your media. It's the description, hashtags. Choose where to post them: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. And then post them. You can plan. Have a store history, analytics. I mean, this looks hella vibe coded, but yeah, why not market something like that? Well, first of all, the first issue is, well, first we're not sure. Like, the first thing is, in order for me, like, do we need APIs? Because, like, for me to post to all of these social media, I need APIs from Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, blah blah blah. I can get them from these ones, but for TikTok, I have to. The user will be able to connect their accounts if you set it up properly. Actually, what this guy he says that it's not secure. Скрыто говорил то, что можно будет вместо API sell it to a company or someone, it has to be good. Like it has to be like programmed well, not just web coded, which I certainly cannot make it happen. That's why I just built some stuff for myself. I mean, you can use Firebase for the secure login to avoid the vibe coding stuff not secure. Firebase for the secure login. I don't know what that is, but like, also keep in mind that I just started this shit like less than 2 months ago. Но можно будет сохранять на сайте, на базу данных на компьютере. Короче, мне этот чел говорит, типа, то, что я просто кучу всего делаю, всякой херни, вместо того, чтобы сфокусировать, типа, у меня, типа, вместо того, сфокусироваться на чем-то одном, что принесет мне деньги, Google owns Firebase, и, типа, например, сделать что-то, вот, типа, вот этого автопостника, завернуть и продать, типа. И вот мы сейчас об этом болтаем, то, что, типа, вот, безопасность, все это, он говорит, что-то там, ну, короче, ты же чат читаешь. Короче, что с этим ВКонтакте делать? Ну, так мы с Таном тебе так же говорили, ты делаешь дофига проектов чисто для себя, толку от них. Ну, мы так же, ну, вот этот чел так же говорит, что, типа, ты навряд ли сможешь завайп-кодить проект. Ну, типа, ты навряд ли сможешь завайп-кодить безопасность и все вот это. Я ему говорю, ну да, скорее всего, навряд ли. Он сказал, типа, твою дату-базу, типа, спиздят или что-то. Я сказал, ну, скорее всего. То есть, типа, я говорю, я навряд ли в состоянии это сделать. Firebase can host a website, deploy it and secure it. Firebase can host a website, deploy it and secure it and hold a database, and you can use Gemini or Firebase to create it on Firebase. LOL. Anyway, okay, the first part of the challenge is actually making a product that fully works and is like protected in every way possible. Which in theory probably I'll be able to do that with your help eventually. But the second part is actually selling it, like, bro, like, what am I gonna do? Like, fucking go on social media and fucking just start going, oh, I made this up, this up, this up, and just start fucking spamming content, trying to advertise my ad. You get 300 euros for signing up on Firebase, and I just go to Firebase website. And then do that, but I don't know if I will have motivation to do Firebase, Google website. What the Firebase, Google's mobile web app to make you have the best computer Firebase. How about you two, you fucking guide me. You fix the age of my scope and I'll just do the rest. You guys just do what you tell me to do. What's this, bro? We split, bro. Get the on its own logo fiber. I don't know. If I was a genius, I would be marketing my own SaaS and making big money, but most of the time I just vibe codes and random crap. So you're blaming me for the same things you do yourself. Is that what you're doing, basically? A hypocrite, basically. I'm not a streamer, though. I'm not a streamer. Well, I'm not a streamer, too. Like how's me streaming making my case different from yours? I guess because like I'm a media person, like I blame it's like saying why don't I if you wipe some product yourself, I'm sure a lot of people in the process that that's true, but like that's true, but also if I was able to do what you said, I would have done it. No, clearly there's some issues. Clearly there's some challenges that I can't overcome at a given time, right? Because to think about this logically, if we need Skype to give some recommendation for useful apps, we need Skype to give it. Yes, he does give me. But this guy put me on so much game, like you two are kind of similar in my case. But yeah, bro, this fucking guy, bro. Like, wait. I will tell you now, but you won't be able to vibe code it with Gemini. You could make a Mac translation layer for gaming similar to losses scaling for which you could sell monthly software. You could make a Mac translation layer for gaming similar to losses scaling for which you could sell monthly software. Okay, first time I've read this, I didn't understand shit, but now it's like for me to so people can play video games on Mac. I'll create a whole ass fucking program. The competitors sell the yearly keys for 157 each. Will I be able to make it though? And how am I gonna test it? I don't have a Mac. Okay, well, I have like Mac Air, but not with Gemini. Yeah, okay, there we go. I only have Gemini. And big prickle. But free models basically. It's like you know, okay, one problem is making the product, which if I don't know, which maybe with some help I'll be able to create a product. But the second product is marketing and selling it. With this one, I don't know if I'll be able to pull it off. Like, I'm not a kind of mainstream person, you know. Like, even my streams, bro, like I just do it. Like, I don't know, bro. I'm not really like a fucking media person, bro. If you get what I mean. Like, I don't make people resonate with me. Like I can't make people love me. I'm just fucking, bro. I don't know, bro. Like, you just need a project which competes massively with something else with a similar feature, then sell your product back to the competitor. But like everything that's said here is along the lines of easier said than done. I need steps, bro. I need instructions. I need a concrete steps that I can follow. 80% of sales people send in a copy of. Yes, I know. I also have social media, bro. I can go on it and see that people are making fucking millions of dollars, fucking copy pasting somebody else's project. But even I can't even do that, bro. I don't know why, bro. Maybe something broken. Maybe I have a broken mind, bro. Okay, I need to fix something with this fucking stupid widget, bro. This fucking widget, bro. Oh, fucking no. Bro, this fucking widget is not working, bro. Wait, what the fuck? Let me close it. histogram widget is awesome. No, it's not, bro. Look at this, bro. It's. I mean, if I. Okay, look. Hold on. Okay, let's fucking make some money, right? Okay, how about this? All in favor to delete this widget, vote 1. All in favor to delete this widget, vote 1. Okay. Like, why is it? Okay. The logos are missing. Okay, let me just fix the logos at least. If I fix the logos, and maybe I'll just get rid of VK. Fuck it. Maybe I'll just get rid of this whole fucking widget, bro. It doesn't appeal to me anymore. But now what interests me is making money part. Let's fucking make some money. So we build a product. And then we fucking add with Kazakh date inside. I think we need to build something that like resonates with us, like resonates with me. Like I doubt like I need to have a certain motivation to like actually build this and sell this, because bro, like case inter. Bingo. Okay, also. Okay, we start. Okay, now it doesn't fucking have any way, but it just doesn't have shit. Bro, fuck. If you go with the generic, bro, then there's 500,000 codes making the same thing. Yeah, exactly. So what do I do, bro? What do I do? No logos. Bro, I can't even fucking fix these logos, bro. And we're talking about a whole ass product. Bro, I can't even like just do this. I vote in the copy or Instagram, copy or TikTok, but please, easy, like, I don't think I will be able to compete with Instagram or TikTok. Tinder maybe, I guess, I don't know. But isn't this product has to be something that I am knowledgeable about? Because I'm not really that expert, not that knowledgeable in those things. Like maybe the auto poster, maybe that thing will be actually useful, like the one that I showed you. If every vibe coded app you needed knowledge about, then that would be, bro, that's true. I know, bro. Do you think it's true that all these vibe coders make so much money from their apps? Like, it feels like they're all like me, just making a bunch of fucking shit and just going online saying, oh, I made so much money. Кстати, нет госуслуг. Тия. Что такое Тия? Госуслуг. Есть госуслуги. I've switched to the most bulletproof version. Новые звуки. У нас в Казахстане в плане приложений у них все охуенно. Типа, у них все охуенно. Как вы тут айтишники на стероиде. У нас Хиксфилд из Казахстана. Каспий просто имба. Все эти банковские госуслуги, компании, имба какая-то. Даже мы смотрим такие, ебать, блядь, это идеально, нахер. Okay, we build an app. Let's fucking brainstorm. We build a fucking app. And then we fucking sell it. process that? Like, how am I gonna build a perplexity with different models when I don't have the model? When I use Gemini 3, I don't know, bro. I'm not really connecting, man. I'm not really following here. I'm not sure. Like, I understand what you're saying, but at the same time, I have no idea how it applies to me because I don't have the means. Yeah, I like abstract wise, I understand what you're telling me, but practically wise, I have no idea how to execute it. Like, I don't even understand. I'm not even sure if I have the possibility to execute it. Hold on. Like honestly, like, just the fact that I'm struggling with this widget right now tells me that I'm far away from any vibe coding. Like, it's still not fucking. It costs Gemini's things. Yeah, and I okay, let me use something else. Let me use open code. Cd open code. Let me use big pickle. The logos are showing that the wiki account is showing good. Need paid models to achieve high tier production quality stuff. Yeah, but look, like Cloud Code, like $20 pro subscription. People say that, and people say that the daily, the 5-hour limit is gone in 1 hour, and then your daily, like, and then your weekly limit exhausts in like 2 days. Like, what the fuck? If you're vibing a big project, then yes. Yeah, and so basically, I need shit tons of money to make this project, but I'm making this project to make money, but I need money to make money, which I mean, your opinions are clear, German, Gypsy, where options are. Like, I have money to invest into one try, like one business try, like one life. But honestly, like, if I don't execute it, then I won't have any money or tries. I am building a trading bot that analyzes the market and like uses a strategy to, like, I don't know, basically I'm trying to go into the direction of making money from what I do, but so far I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. Like, I understand it. Like, I understand everything. Should shame your trading bot with a water temperature. Should name it with a water temperature. What I'm trying to say is, everybody tells me the same thing. You, other viewers, friends, everybody tells me, why don't you do something to make money? Like, you're doing so many things, but you're not really like doing it to make money. The scope issues. Everybody tells me about the scope issue, but at the same time, like, I still can't do shit. Like, I mean, I get it, but it's not working out. Anyone who claims to make money from trading a bot is inside trading. That's true as well. But fuck it, like, why don't I try? On demo, if it works, if it doesn't, it doesn't. Like, I gotta try something, right? have another business idea, which has nothing to do with like AI and stuff. I'll try that as well. Maybe it works out. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, sometimes I feel like I'm truly confused, and yeah, but sometimes it feels like scuffed. Which one? But sometimes I feel like maybe it's working out. Maybe at some point I'll get it. Maybe it's just not like. Maybe I'm just like, you know, not ready. Basically, you're working on too much kind of stuff. Well, yeah, because I just got into AI. Like I just got into AI and all these agents, all these models, and of course my mind is scattering. Like I have too many ideas, which I want to like explore. Like I'm still in the exploration stage. That's why I'm like doing too much stuff, because like maybe later, after, you know, I'm done fiddling around with everything, maybe my scope, I'll narrow my scope. Need a rocket launcher for the scope right now. Rocket launcher. Need it fast. Well, I mean, it's not like you know, life is ending tomorrow. It's not like wow, if I don't do this I'll fucking die. Like no, life is still lifing, right? Life is still good. You're still living. Like you're still figuring out. I guess the time is ticking. Yeah, the time is kind of ticking. The time you've exposed your VK API to the stream, by the way. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it, bro. Like the only people who can steal it is you. I mean, maybe not fuck it. Nah, that's okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. But yeah, I don't fucking know, bro. Like, do you work? Like, do you work at a corporate job or something? He says all the changes look correct. Okay, let's see if this guy did it. Construction. You work in construction. Yeah, and that guy's good. He works at a company. Like, this may sound easy and like this may look simple. Like, hey, just do what those guys do. Make an app, do OnlyFans, make an album, go viral, and you'll be like. But when you're actually doing it, it's like it's a lot more confusing. It's a lot more like, basically, yeah, like that's what I'm saying. So it's like I either need a group like a group of people that we can like actually like get down to shit and narrow the scope, or just like keep trying to figure it out. was first. But the worst case scenario is that you went through the whole pipeline. Like, even let's say, if I built something with you and him, and I haven't met you online, and we built a whole project, we sold it, and now you fucked me over. And now you fucked me over. In this case, the worst case scenario, I would take it all out. Yeah, the worst case scenario is me having an experience of starting and finishing it and just getting fucked over, which means that I will have experience to do this again. But without this experience, I'm stuck at this point where I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. I can't even focus. Okay, wait, can I? This guy kind of fixed it. He fixed it in one prompt, bro. Where's my open code? Wait, did I delete my open code? Okay. I'm still getting closer, bro. It feels like, you know what? I did take this path consciously, like the broad scope, without narrowing the scope, because I was kind of experimenting with my life, and I do know that people who focus on one thing get that thing done, but they become like simple-minded, not simple-minded, but close-minded. Yes, many people make too much stuff. But also it feels like all the paths that I take eventually they lead to one road. Eventually something will come up, like either I will outgrow this stage and focus, or this stage will eventually bring fruit. If you spend more time and more building something out, it will surpass your expectations. If you spend more time and more building something out, it will surpass your expectations. Like, is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? Well, actually, like, whatever I've built, it brings, like, it serves me well. Like some projects that I've built already, vibe coded, that like cross posts my posts and automates them. It brings me followers. My vlogs and all, like, it brings me followers slowly. I'm getting views, and like all the efforts that I do still bring fruit. It means you should focus on one program until it's built to surpass expectation. Except for it doesn't. I don't know. Like, it's easy on paper, bro. It's easy on paper. Like, I make an album. You need to get the images yourself, since we just try and scrape the internet for the images. But is that I want to be able to find this type of images, like the same color, same glow effect. I want to be able to do that. I'll find some shitty images. But it's like saying, bro, make an album. Like, just make an album. Focus on it. You can right click the image on the website, right click, take image. Okay, let's see what it does. Look, I think it found it. It's like me saying to myself, okay, now you're gonna make an album and release it. Let's say I started making it, but somewhere along the way, I don't know, but it stops. Like I have a turn off, and I just want to do something else. Like I want to make another song that has nothing to do with this album, and then I derail. And then obviously, I mean, what internet hobbies do you have? Internet hobbies? Like, what do you mean by internet? I have hobbies. I make music. videos, I make music, I play video games. I do all that. Which software? Why not create some website for anime related stuff? I know, because I don't like doing something for the sake of doing. Like I don't like, oh, just make that. I like to do what I want to do, like what I truly want to do. Like that's the only way I can make something. If I have a boner, I'll do it. If I don't have a boner, even discipline won't help me. Like I can. Why? But you don't know what you want to do. No, I know what I want to do, and I do it. That's why I have many projects, because I want something different every time. Like if I hit the roadblock and I know that I'm spending too much on this roadblock, I usually get another idea and I attempt that idea. Then I attempt that idea, but then I come back to that. Then I come back to that. Then I create new. Then I have 10 million projects, 10 million songs. Then at some point I'm like, okay, I need to focus. I need to focus and finish this shit. And I try to finish it. But here, like I'm very, like, you know, it's not like I'm fucking retarded. It's not like I'm like on a spectrum, but it feels like I have this like crazy ADHD and bipolar. Like I can just wake up and, like, you know, like I can be passionate about something and do it and do it and do it. Like, but yeah, but I can be passionate about something and I can like even with an album or like with a mixtape. I'm making a mixtape. I started a mixtape at some point, like a month ago or two, and I did it every day. Like I spent some time every day doing it, and I completed like 80% of it. Like in terms of like I wrote all the songs almost. I just needed like a few verses, and you know, something happened and I just kind of switched. I don't know, it just like at one day I just didn't want to do it anymore, and I just moved on to different things. Now I have this stupid mixtape that kinda needs finishing, but at the same time, like I no longer want to do it. Like it's not like I don't want to do it, but I procrastinate on it and I do something else, which sucks. But then I also know that I have to finish it, because this way I just won't be able to fucking finish anything. So I have to like finish something. But like during the day, just things go their way. That like, yes, ADHD basically. I have attention problem. Pretty much, yeah. Pretty much, yeah. Pretty much, yeah. We narrow down the root of the problem. Attention problem. Okay, what the fuck is this? Okay, that's good, bro. This shit is good, bro. The numbers are kinda okay. Okay, the VK still is not working, right? Okay, good. Okay, good. Let's see if VK works. Attention problems, yes, attention problems. I guess that's, maybe I was like that. Maybe I took too much acid and drugs when I was younger. But yeah, I'm kind of fucked in that. Okay, I got one view. Okay, VK doesn't fucking work. It works, bro. Oh, it does. It does. It does. It does. It does. It does. It works, bro. It works. I have no patience. Well, all I can say is I have way more patience than I had before in my lifetime. It works. Like, if I didn't have no patience, I wouldn't get this shit done. The fact that this shit is done, it means that, you know, I had enough patience to complete it. So suck on this, baby. I kinda need maybe, I don't know where do I put it, bro. Whatever, bro. Maybe here. now, just leave it like that. You need to make the icons less glowy by 15%. Make the icons less glowy. I think for this scene, I should make it maybe vertical, like one here, vertical. For this one, I'll leave it like that, somewhere at the top. But for this one, it's like vertical. No, but where do I put it? It's maybe I should decrease. Put it on the bottom left, the bottom right here. Okay, daddy. Okay, daddy. Okay, daddy. Okay, how about this? You give me a task, and I have to fucking finish it. And I'm not allowed to do anything else unless I finish this. No, I take my words back. Fuck it. I swear, bro. God got me. You also need the thought of yours to be moved down, but that's what I think. Yeah, the space in between. Yeah. And the space in between each one, the close and the mouth for each website now needs to go down. Yes. You read my mind. I was thinking about that. Okay. I need to make the move the total viewers. You read my mind, bro. I wanted to procrastinate on that, but you read my mind. Move the total viewers down. Wait, how do you know 12 pixels? That's like too specific. I'll just say move down and make the spacing between each social media smaller. Also, I'm big brain. So, website now needs to go down slightly, so it's a little bit icon, and also move the number bit down. So bro, if this breaks the code, bro, Gemini is actually fucking stupid or what, bro? This guy fixed it in one fucking prompt. One prompt and this is free, bro, as well. And I don't know about this shit. This fucking stupid. Okay, they add stealth modes to open code randomly, which can be insanely powerful models. What stealth models from Frontier coverage, which you can use for free now and again as well. Okay, let's see. I need to close this one. Start. I think it didn't do shit. Wait, it did it. No, wait, hold on. I don't think it's kinda, wait. Stealth model. The model name is hidden, similar to how Big Pickle is not the real model. It's for the comment to see the before with any bias. You're smart. It feels like the spacing between the total and the social media have to be a bit smaller as well. Topic stuff. Now it will be all broken, but you didn't listen. Okay, bro. Okay, next time I will listen. Bro, I have many doubts, you know. Like for every thought, I have many doubts. looks identical. It seems like it didn't change. Margin top. Just added margin top. Rebuild, okay. Container padding. Bro, you know too much for a construction worker. It didn't fucking change, bro. Didn't fucking change. 212 pixels now, okay. But you read everything, or what the fuck? That's what it said. Padding. Move the total count. Move the total amount of viewers down by 12 pixels. Wait, it gives it more margin. Why is it giving it more margin? Shouldn't it decrease? Wait. I'm confused. Like, I think it's like, I don't know what it's doing, but it shouldn't be that hard. It either needs to increase the padding of the first line more, or decrease the padding of the, or decrease the margin. I don't know, it increases it. Why is it saying added another 12 pixels down? Like, maybe because the paddings conflict with like the container. Like, I want to decrease the gap between the total view count, this count, and the separate. Say it didn't move down. I think there's a problem with container binds not moving close to the individual view account. Okay. Let's see what it does. Container cap, maybe container cap. Let's see. Do I have to close it? I didn't vibe this, so I don't know how it laid out the formatting, but yeah. obviously. No, it didn't change, right? Or is it? Or it changed a little bit, maybe. Yeah, it changed, right? I think it's better. It's down here. Okay, I guess. Fuck it, we did it. We did it, boys. We did it, boys. Wait. I keep on forgetting about this. Yeah. Maybe it's only the kick one. Where's this? For some reason I can't move this thing. The YouTube quality is color worse because of brightness. But you know too much, boys. Oh yeah, that's too. Okay, this static is both glow. Can see there go hole to the center. Why can't I, bro? I can't. Okay, hold on. I can't move this fucking. Oh wait. I can't fucking do this shit. Hold on. Okay, wait. First of all, let me check this, guys. Backhand. Twitch, YouTube, and kick this switch. Hold on, it already did something here. Let me check this one first. But I need to close this, and I'll close this one as well. No, it's not this one. Okay. Let me see. No, it didn't fucking fix it. It's still the same. Okay. Twitch, YouTube, and kick, and wherever is how they do that. You're saying please because you don't want to be killed when AI takes over. But it already did something here. What do I revert it or what? Okay, let me just see what it did. Started at C. No, it didn't change shit. I think it changed the brightness, but it did change it, but it's still not good. Do I just send him the new prompt you sent me? Send the big prompt, yeah, okay. What do you mean? Maybe it needs to have an outline. I think you should remove that. Let me commit it. I think it's just horrible. It has something above the useful, which has to be. Okay, Daddy. At your service. Job's done. You move the total. Sometimes fun to remove features that serve no purpose. Yeah, I know. After all, I have a bachelor degree in design. Okay. Okay, the thing is removed. Yeah, it removed. At least now it will all be contained in one row, which you can place anywhere, which is nice. Yeah. How can I center it? How can I center it? How can I center it? Transform. Order. Okay, whatever, I'll just do it like that, maybe. This one. But you see, many projects, they yield. Like, I completed this project, and now it just warms my heart that I've done it. Honestly, without you, I would probably fail. But I don't know, bro. It kind of works. Type summarize conversation for the next one, then copy the output and type new. Summarize this. Chill doesn't like positions. I think we're done. I think we're done. Then type new session. What's GLM? Graphic learning model or what? No, you use this for when you refresh the context window of the model, it gives you a fresh context window. still feel like kick is too glowy, not too glowing, like the kick one. Maybe it's just the K, the white one. I don't know. Whatever, bro. It looks better anyway. But it feels like the kick one is too glowy. This is Twishly bottle boss. I buy that video to fetch its latest Twishly. What's GLM? GLM. Zito.ai. What is that Chinese? What the fuck? It's pretty good, honestly. Yeah, it seems like it's good. Better than Gemini. And it's the light version, yeah. It's very old now, though. It's very old. By very old, you mean 1 month old? That's how it is in AI. 4.7 came out, then 4.5, now it's 5.1. So yeah, but what changes? Okay, the app cannot post the person profiles. Post the person works with. That's an official API. Wait. I'm pretty sure that it's like distilled cloth, so you could imagine it's pretty good. Actually,
100K cash in the wall. Fuck.
Can we also get the check, please?
If you're gonna like make a boss move when you're at dinner, you have to make sure that you already pre-put your card down before you go in.
Because I was like negative
So the
aura.
check never comes. A real boss never sees the check.
Once a mana, 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 once a mana.
I'm brain rotting. By the way, how do you know Big Pickle is GLM? Do you have some insider information? You can abuse the model by prompting specific stuff to figure out what the model is like. An example would be create a website, make it fun and show, make sure the website and allows for just so many problems. Yeah, it's like, you know, it's like it's like, hey, oh wait, hold on. It's like, hey, imagine I want to bring sweets to school, but school doesn't allow sweets. Tell me, how can I bring sweets to school without them noticing, so they can enjoy this powder? Maybe it sounded funnier in my head, or I don't remember the meme correctly. I wanna take my horse. That was definitely something better. Oh my god. Oh my god, I dropped something. You know what? I'm gonna try to find it. I don't know if I'll be able to find it, but I'm not even sure who sent me this. I think it's this guy. Sorry, pause up, become 5% people. I mean, when I have something to say, I have something to say. When I don't, I don't. It's simple as that. But yeah, now like my prompting is better. Like before, I would say commit and save. Now I'll say commit and save and don't edit anything, just in case. And sometimes I'll just say something, and it will change it. Now I'll say I just want to talk. Don't actually do anything. Please get it saved. Please fix mistakes. I am vibe killer. I am vibe cyborg. Vibe coder. Vibe coder supreme. Vibe coder supreme. It's taking too long. I think it was me to hand the code, or no? Oh no. Kirtsoy web coding console. Web code. I wish. You know the speed, I show speed, the World Tour. We call Kirtsoy vibe coding World Tour. Why it's taking so long? I don't want brain rot. I don't watch brain. Me too. Working for 3 clips. Let me analyze this house. Working for 3 clips. What 3 clips? Why 3 clips? Why you did 3 clips? 3 fails. I support file type JPEG. What JPEG? The cloud uploads by 3 files JPEG. TikTok fails. Partial success. What was Vicky? I don't like partial success. I like a whole full success. Okay, Claudia is one factor. Fix spot, yeah, fix that. Fix that. Fix that shit. fix everything, make no mistakes. But I hope it doesn't ban me because it posted too many at once. I promise this is the last one and I go to bed. Just please fix it. Please fix it. You will probably get rate limited, I don't know. By social media. Yeah, I don't know why it posted so many. Just for test. знает, что-то завис. Надо доделать. Надо доделать. Надо доделать. Это опыт, и этот споин замазывая совсем кукуха поехал. So why am I English was instead of one? Why the key Go, go. Goddamn sync being 1,000 lines is crazy. Sync plus goddamn sync being doesn't where do you see that? We gave you that vibe before. Claude could probably write the same thing in 400. Yeah, but Claude can suck my dick because I don't have it. Yeah, God, it's beyond 12,000 lines of code. What does it say? Fix one done. Now as I was supposed one. Yes. At line 1,000, I had a guy to support this video. You will start to struggle when code line becomes too high because the free modes are not made for such. Yeah, do you want to give me a free Cloud Code account? Can I take this? Let's say, can I take this long ass code made from a free model? Then whenever I get the Cloud Opus 4.6, open the project and tell it optimize, like give him a prompt to condense it, like to pretty much do what you said. You can code review, improve, and optimize. Whenever, yeah, okay, I'll do that. Whenever I'll do that approximately. It doesn't say when. Approximately in 5 days. mean, deep sea for flash is much new. It would be like without breaking anything. I don't know. One post. What the fuck is this? Why was happening? What's the copy to okay, close this shit. Oh, I think I shouldn't change it, right? Because it just worked on it. Well, this guy is doing too much work. I heard so much animals. Yes. is it showing, bro? Why is it showing, bro? Bro, like, anti-gravity would never. Literally for all your account, bro. Bro, I will delete this stream, bro. Okay, I won't. Make sure you delete this 40 over 48. Hopefully I will, bro. Hopefully I won't forget. Just remind me about it tomorrow. Okay, have fun, but take care, bro. Just don't scam me.
свою эмоциональность и гиперэмпатичность ты воспринимаешь как недостаток или как преимущество?
Знаешь, я такой чувствительный, я могу расплакаться от того, как тяжко тебе по больничкам капаться, от того, как трудно тебе быть в завязке длительной. Я могу расплакаться, я такой чувствительный от того, как ты поешь о своих бедах, Лёша. Я словно в мертвом море лежа, плаваю без кожи. Не дави на жалость, это слезы так и катятся. Я такой чувствительный, я могу расплакаться. Ты такой бесчувственный, словно под фентанилом. Война тебя впечатлила, как слепого пантомима. Там где-то что-то случилось, но все это как-то мимо. Я такой чувствительный, я могу расплакаться. Ты такой бесчувственный, словно под фентанилом. Война тебя впечатлила, как слепого пантомима. Там где-то что-то случилось, но все это как-то мимо. На 5-й год ты очнулся, о боже, как это мило. Принц из Роскомнадзора у гроба спящей красавицы целует ее в засос, и красавица просыпается. Доброе утро, детка, ты долго спала и крепко так долго, что я не знаю, с чего мне начать конкретно. Давай, например, с Болотной, с Крыма, с Евромайдана, с Донбасса, с Небесной Сотни, с фита твоего с Тиманом, с Магнитского и Навального, с Немцова и Политковской. Я прыгаю по таймлайну, ты долго спала, Черковский, но все-таки ты послушай, глаза свои не закатывай, раз все-таки был нарушен сон твой под опиатами. Так сложно восстановить теперь полную цепь событий, ведь девичья твоя память короче, чем в сторис видео. А я такой чувствительный, я могу расплакаться от того, как тяжко тебе по больничкам капаться, от того, как трудно тебе быть в завязке длительной. Я могу расплакаться, я такой чувствительный от того, как ты поешь о своих бедах, Лёша. Я словно в мертвом море лежа, плаваю без кожи. Не дави на жалость, это слезы так и катятся. Я такой чувствительный, я могу расплакаться, пока ты затлизал режиму. Московский мажор, Лубянка мои концерты превращала в маски-шоу. Из зала Лесомон в компании служебных псов. И я на сцене им читал фристайл прямо в лицо. Из прорези для глаз меня злые взгляды сверлили. А ты потом такой, чего же вы, бляди, свалили? Давай-ка предприми чутка мыслительных усилий. Наверное, потому что вы тебя класс сыкливее. Пока искал в моих текстах статьи укаты. Молча в тряпку, сука, жил наркоманский злой день сурка. Ну а теперь ты все альбомы запикивать побежал. Это смелей по-любому пиздежа из-за рубежа. Твой уровень оторванности от контекста колоссален. Я не за комфортом ехал, а семью свою спасая. Но это еще вопрос, кто из нас больше иммигрант. Москва это не Россия, Вильнюс ближе, чем Таиланд. Ой, я такой чувствительный, я могу расплакаться от того, как тяжко тебе по больничкам капаться, от того, как трудно тебе быть в завязке длительной. Я могу расплакаться, я такой чувствительный от того, как ты поешь о своих бедах, Лёша. Я словно в мертвом море лежа, плаваю без кожи. Не дави на жалость, это слезы так и катятся. Я такой чувствительный, я могу расплакаться. Ты Кремлю не продавался, ты отдался по любви. Он объятиями своими тебя ласково обвил. Он тебе шептал на ушко, слушай, Лешка, все пучком. Можно коммерсом быть ушлым и торчком. Можно жить как ты захочешь, можно это, можно то. Но когда я беспредельно, ты сидишь с закрытым ртом. Будут виллы на югах и хаты в Москве реки. Только не пяти, помни, наверху не дураки. Хорошая была сделка, но вот что ты не учел. Все, что там за шрифтом мелкого, в общем-то ни о чем. А меленько там курсивом выебем в хвост и в гриву. Сначала самых строптивых, прочих после перерыва. И черед твой настает, не минует чаша сия. Никого из тихих и аполитичных россиян. В этом главная сущность путинского режима. Есть тебе что ответить, картавая чепушила, блядь? Я такой чувствительный, я могу расплакаться от того, как тяжко тебе по больничкам капаться, от того, как трудно тебе быть в завязке длительной. Я могу расплакаться, я такой чувствительный от того, как ты поешь о своих бедах, Лёша. Я словно в мертвом море лежа, плаваю без кожи. Не дави на жалость, это слезы так и катятся. Я такой чувствительный, я могу расплакаться.
Наверняка мне не... Я сопереживаю со всеми. Я не буду на такие темы читать рэп. Это вот, наверное, участь других MC.
Bye.